Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Imagine a succulent golden brown duck. Its skin perfectly crisp, its meat tender and juicy. It's bathed in a tangy, sweet and savory orange sauce, its citrusy aroma filling the room. This is the tantalizing dish we are preparing today. Our key ingredients are a large duck, bitter oranges, soy sauce, honey, ginger, garlic, salt and pepper, and olive oil. A symphony of flavors that blend together perfectly to create a truly mouth-watering dish. Stay tuned to discover how to bring this mouth-watering dish to life. The journey to a delectable orange duck begins with preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The first step of the preparation is to peel and juice 4 tangy oranges, a process that not only provides the citrusy base of our sauce, but also leaves us with orange peels that will be put to good use later. In a small bowl, the freshly squeezed orange juice is combined with 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of grated ginger, and 4 cloves of crushed garlic. This fusion of flavors creates a sauce that is simultaneously sweet, tangy, and savory. A pinch of salt and pepper are added to taste, turning this simple combination of ingredients into a truly gourmet sauce that will make our duck sing. But before the sauce meets the duck, it's crucial that our duck pieces are seared to perfection. This is where 2 tablespoons of olive oil heated in a large pan come into play. Each piece of the duck is added to the pan and turned regularly to ensure an even sear. The heat caramelizes the surface of the duck, sealing in the juices and paving the way for a moist and flavorful result. Once our duck pieces have achieved a beautiful golden brown sear, they are transferred to a high-sided baking dish. Here, the reserved orange peels are creatively scattered around the duck, infusing the baking process with an extra burst of citrus aroma. And now, the moment we've been building towards, the pouring of our gourmet sauce over the duck and orange peels. This step marries all the elements of our dish together, setting the stage for the transformative power of slow baking. With the duck and sauce ready, we are set to embark on the baking journey. The dance of flavors has just begun, and as the oven door closes, we can almost taste the delightful orange duck that awaits us at the end of this culinary adventure. Now, we're ready for the magic to happen in the oven. As we've prepared our duck and mixed our delightful combination of orange juice, soy sauce, honey, grated ginger, mashed garlic, salt, and pepper, it's time to bring it all together. First, we'll take our beautifully browned duck pieces and arrange them in a large, high-sided baking dish. Then, we'll scatter those reserved orange peels around the duck. These peels are not just decoration, they're going to release their essential oils during the baking process, infusing our duck with an even deeper orange flavor. Next comes our sauce. This aromatic mixture gets poured right over the duck and the peels. Ensure every piece of duck is well coated, as this sauce is going to caramelize during baking, giving our duck a beautiful, glossy finish. Now we're going to cover our baking dish with foil. This will keep the moisture in and prevent the top from burning, ensuring our duck becomes tender and fully cooked. Into the oven it goes at a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. We'll let it bake for about 2 hours. Patience is key here. The slow cooking allows the flavors to meld and the duck to become fork tender. With the baking complete, we're just one step away from the final delicious dish. The baking is done, and it's time to give our orange duck the final touch. We carefully peel back the foil, unveiling a beautifully roasted duck bathed in a sweet and tangy orange sauce. The aroma is simply irresistible. Now let's baste the duck with the remaining sauce in the dish. This not only adds an extra layer of flavor, but also gives the duck a glossy, appetizing finish. Next, we carefully arrange the duck and the caramelized orange peels on a serving plate. The peels, having absorbed the flavors of the sauce, are a delightful addition to the dish. The presentation looks as good as it smells, the succulent duck complemented by the vibrant orange peels. And there you have it, a mouth-watering, aromatic, and delicious orange duck. Serve it hot, and it'll make a perfect main course with rice or grilled vegetables on the side. Let's recap the key steps and tips for this recipe. Start by heating your oven and preparing your orange soy honey sauce. Sear the duck in olive oil, then transfer to a baking dish, surrounded by orange peels. Pour the sauce over and bake until tender. Remember, you can use regular soy sauce, just adjust the quantity and balance the flavors. Honey can be a fantastic substitute for sugar, adding a natural sweetness to the dish. With these steps and tips, you're ready to impress your guests with a delicious orange duck. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking. Happy cooking!